Arizona, Seattle, Sunday Night Football.
Deep South peanut butter.
Hey, this was great to see. Ricardo Lockett getting the 12s excited. Everybody telling him to get well soon. Fourth quarter, Cardinals are up 25-17. Carson Palmer gets stripped, recovered by K.J. Wright. Ruled a touchdown on the field, but they looked at it.
He dancing. Cardinal fan wanted to know, does that qualify as a pooch punt? There you go. They tweeted that.
But Seattle ended up getting the ball at the 3. And so Marshawn Lynch, who did some big boy running on Sunday.
Should have done it in the Super Bowl. It's too late. It's too late, ball.
They missed a 2-point conversion. And Seattle, I like that.
That's my baby.
That's the mama. So Seattle was down 2. Next possession, Carson Palmer stripped. This one is a defensive touchdown by Bobby Wagner. Seattle failed again on the 2-point conversion, so they lead by just 4. But remember, they were down 19-0 at one point in this game. Michael Floyd, who had a couple touchdowns, out with a bad hammy. So who does Carson Palmer go to? Jermaine Gresham. That's a good throw.
Say what you will, man. After they rattled Arizona Cardinals, man, the way they were blitzing Carson Palmer, that was an incredible drive for the Cardinals to come back and score.
Ensuing Seahawks possession, Wilson nearly picked by Tyrann Mathieu.
Ball was tipped. Honey Badger don't miss nothing like that.
What's a bowl? Got to put a bowler out on Jimmy Graham.
So after a punt, 3rd and 4, Andre Ellington. That's a 48-yard scamper, and that's going to do it. Seattle loses for the first time in its last 11 primetime home games as Cam Chancellor and the boys go down and fall to 4-5 overall. Afterward, our Alex Flanagan with that guy.